In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate GCash for minors. If you're helping a child set up a GCash Junior account, this walkthrough will guide you from finding the official instructions to preparing the documents and completing verification with consent from a parent or guardian. Start by opening the GCash Help Center. You can access it from the app or through the official website. Once you're there, look for the search box. Type in how to activate GCash for minors or GCash Junior. This will bring up the most relevant guides so you can follow the correct, up-to-date process. From the search results, select the article titled, "How do I create a GCash Junior account?" Read through it carefully. This guide explains the sign-up path for minors and what to expect on each screen. Take note of any prompts you'll see during registration so you can move smoothly when you start the actual sign-up. Next, go back to the search results and open "How can I verify a GCash Junior account?" This article focuses on verification. Here, review all the necessary requirements. Pay attention to which documents are acceptable, any age-related notes, and whether a parent or legal guardian needs to be present during verification. Make a checklist from what you read so you don't miss anything. Once you have the requirements ready, proceed with the sign-up for the GCash Junior account. During the process, you'll be asked to upload the required documents. Make sure every photo is clear, well lit, and not cropped. Details should be readable and match exactly with the information you type in the form. Avoid glare and shadows and use a stable internet connection to prevent upload errors. If the system asks you to retake a photo, do so until the image is sharp and complete. To fully verify your child's GCash Junior account, you'll be asked to provide your consent and agree to GCash's terms and conditions. Read the consent notice and the terms carefully before confirming. Consent must come from the parent or legal guardian, and it should be given through the official prompts within the app or site. That's it. Use the Help Center to find the 2 key articles, review the requirements, upload the documents during sign-up, and finalize with guardian consent and agreement to the terms. If you need more time, pause and revisit each section to ensure everything is accurate. Keep personal details secure and only submit information through official GCash channels. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your GCash Junior activation.